and welcome to Intimate Health. Here with your girl, Lady V. I need to spill some tea on your health and well-being. With Valentine's Day coming up shortly, I thought it was appropriate to come up with a healthy meal while also having a little bit of fun with Valentine's Day. So I have my heart shape here that I will put my food into a heart shape. And what we have on the menu is salmon, brown rice, and spinach, right? Everything's freshly made, and then some parsley for garnish. So what we'll do, we'll start with the brown rice. And so we'll pack it in there so that you can potentially do this for a significant other or just a special someone in your life, or, your kids, your family, it doesn't matter, right? Whoever you have love for at this point in time. So what I like to do is pack this in here nice and tight. My hands are clean. You want to make sure your hands are clean. Make it restaurant style for everybody, right? Make them feel extra special. What I do, I make it nice and packed so that it doesn't budge. And then we'll clean up this rice around it to make sure that the plate is nice and pretty. And obviously, if any of these ingredients impact you, obviously you want to substitute. So right again, I said brown rice. So we have our heart shape. We have one ingredient down and two more to go. Next, we'll do the spinach. And spinach, just oil if you want. I use some fresh garlic. So same thing, so I'll level it right above and take some spinach. And a same thing, pack it in there. Nice and firm, good ingredients that are healthy for you. Nicely done. Got my heart shape still going. So then what we'll do is take some salmon. I'll share the ingredients that I put on the salmon. So I kind of dipped it in this glaze that I have here. That essentially I would like to call pineapple mint glaze. And so you can break the salmon up so that it fits in here nicely. And then once all of that's done, then you can just move the whole entire thing. Nicely done. Maintaining your heart shape. Right. Slowly. And the heart I got from Amazon, so you could just wherever maybe you can find it from the dollar store as well. But I just got this from Amazon, and so you got your nice heart shape. And so then I have this glaze that I would like to call pineapple mint glaze. And some of the ingredients are pineapple, fresh ginger, fresh mint, fresh garlic, fresh lime, a little splash of orange juice. And then I just kind of blend all of those together. Again, I initially kind of dumped the salmon in there. So what I did with the salmon is I cooked it mostly done, and then I took it out of the oven and then put it on the excuse me, and then put it on the stove so that I can have the glaze on top of it. And so essentially this is what it looks like. It's liquid, and then just kind of sprinkle some of that on there, and there you have it. And so I like to call this dish the ginger kissed salmon with a pineapple mint glaze. And then you want to dress it up with a little garnish, just parsley. You can put whatever you like. Again, you want to make sure that you can eat what you're making. So if you have any allergies to any of these, you want to make sure that you substitute them out for the appropriate thing. I enjoy cooking and getting creative in the kitchen. Runs in the blood. And so there you have it. And what's Valentine's Day without a kiss? So I brought some kisses here, and you can just, if you wanted to, sprinkle them around the dish for the person or people that you're cooking for, right? And, you know, again, this is Valentine's Day coming up. So just as much you're, you know, we just don't want you to love someone else new, or, you know, pouring into those that you already love. It's really important to ensure that you also love yourself back, right? Whether that's, you know, drinking water, taking that walk, getting sleep, right? That goes a long way. Choosing foods and habits that love you back, right? Because the healthiest relationship that you can have is the relationship that you have with yourself. And until next time, stay well.